Beneath our very feet, a lost world lies sleeping. It is a world of giants, a time when colossal creatures roamed the lands we now call the Americas. For millions of years, their secrets have been locked away, hidden deep within the Earth's rocky layers. We walk upon their ancient homes, often without even knowing it. But how do we know they were ever here? The clues are all around us, waiting to be found. These clues are not written in books, but in stone. They are the fossilized remains of creatures that defy imagination, the magnificent dinosaurs that once ruled this very continent. The story begins with a simple yet profound discovery: a bone turned to stone. These are fossils, the preserved remnants of ancient life. When a dinosaur died, millions of years ago, its body was sometimes covered by sand or mud. Over immense stretches of time, the soft parts of the body decayed, but the hard bones remained. Water, rich in minerals, seeped into these bones. Slowly, molecule by molecule, the minerals replaced the bone, creating a perfect stone replica. This incredible process has preserved the skeletons of these animals, providing us with a direct window into the distant past. Imagine walking through the badlands of North America or the vast plains of Patagonia. You might stumble upon a strange-looking rock jutting out from the soil. It might be a piece of a rib from a massive herbivore or a tooth from a fearsome predator. These fossils are the undeniable proof that dinosaurs lived here. They are not just stories or myths. They are tangible evidence of a time when the Americas were a playground for the largest animals ever to walk the earth. Each fossil is a piece of a grand puzzle, helping us piece together the story of life on our planet. These ancient bones tell us more than just the fact that dinosaurs existed. They reveal the incredible diversity of life that once flourished. From the towering, long-necked sauropods of what is now Utah to the powerful carnivores that hunted across Argentina, the Americas were a hotbed of dinosaur evolution. The sheer number and variety of fossils found across both continents paint a vivid picture of a bustling, vibrant ecosystem. It was a world utterly different from our own, yet one that is connected to our present, buried just beneath the surface, waiting for us to listen to its stone-cold tales. Finding these ancient treasures is a true adventure. It requires patience, a keen eye, and a deep understanding of geology. Scientists who search for fossils are called paleontologists. They don't just dig randomly. They study maps and geological surveys to find areas with the right kind of rock from the right time period, the Mesozoic era. They look for sedimentary rock layers, the kind formed by ancient rivers, lakes, and seas, which are perfect for preserving fossils. Often, they must travel to remote and rugged places, like deserts and badlands, where wind and water have eroded the land, exposing these ancient layers of rock. The moment of discovery is truly thrilling. A paleontologist might spot a fragment of bone weathering out of a hillside. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The real work begins now. Using small delicate tools like brushes, dental picks, and hand trowels, the team carefully excavates the earth around the fossil. They must work with immense care, as the bones, though turned to stone, can be very fragile. It can take weeks, months, or even years to slowly and methodically unearth a single large skeleton. Every speck of dust is removed with precision to avoid damaging the precious find. Once a fossil is fully exposed, it must be protected for its journey to the laboratory. The team covers the bone and the rock surrounding it in strips of plaster-soaked burlap. This creates a hard protective cast, much like a cast for a broken arm. This plaster jacket keeps the fossil safe during transport, which might involve trucks, helicopters, or even mules in very remote areas. The block of rock and bone, which can weigh many tons, is then carefully lifted and transported to a museum or university for the next stage of its journey into the light. Back in the lab, the real scientific investigation begins. Highly skilled technicians called fossil preparators take over. They use fine tools, sometimes under a microscope, to meticulously remove the remaining rock from the bone. This process is incredibly slow and requires a steady hand. Once the bones are clean, scientists can study them. They measure them, compare them to other fossils, and use modern technology like CT scanners to look inside the bones. This detailed analysis helps them understand how the dinosaur lived, what it ate, and how it moved millions of years ago. The Americas during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods were home to some of the most famous dinosaurs known to science. In North America, one of the true giants was the mighty Brachiosaurus. This colossal herbivore had a giraffe-like posture, with front legs that were much longer than its back legs. This allowed it to reach high into the treetops, munching on leaves that other dinosaurs couldn't get to. Its long neck acted like a crane, helping it browse for food. Imagine a creature as tall as a 4-story building, peacefully eating from the tops of ancient conifers. It was a true titan of the Jurassic landscape. Not all was peaceful, however. Where there were herbivores, there were predators. The king of them all in North America was, of course, Tyrannosaurus rex. Although it lived later, in the Cretaceous period, it is the quintessential American dinosaur. With a massive skull, powerful jaws filled with banana-sized teeth, and tiny 2-fingered arms, T-Rex was an apex predator. Scientists believe its bite was one of the strongest of any land animal ever. It stalked the floodplains of what is now Montana and South Dakota, a fearsome hunter in a world of giants. Its very presence would have struck terror into the hearts of any creature that crossed its path. Another iconic American dinosaur was the Stegosaurus. This strange and wonderful creature is famous for the 2 rows of large, bony plates that ran along its back. Scientists once debated the purpose of these plates. Were they for defense, or perhaps for regulating body temperature, like giant radiators? We now believe they were most likely for display, to attract mates or intimidate rivals. For defense, Stegosaurus had something far more effective: a powerful tail tipped with 4 long, sharp spikes. This weapon, nicknamed the Thagomizer, could deliver a devastating blow to any predator foolish enough to attack. Meanwhile, South America had its own cast of incredible dinosaurs. The continent was home to some of the largest land animals of all time. One of these was Argentinosaurus, a truly stupendous sauropod. Fossils suggest it may have been the heaviest land animal ever, weighing up to 100 tons. It was so enormous that its footsteps would have shaken the ground like a small earthquake. Hunting these giants was an equally massive predator, Giganotosaurus. This carnivore was even larger than T-Rex, with a long, narrow skull perfect for slicing through flesh. The battle between these South American titans must have been a truly epic spectacle. The world that dinosaurs inhabited was vastly different from the Americas we know today. During the Jurassic period, the continents were just beginning to drift apart from the supercontinent of Pangaea. North and South America were not yet fully connected. A great inland sea, known as the Western Interior Seaway, would later split North America in 2, creating a warm, shallow ocean where a vast prairie now exists. The climate was much warmer and more humid globally, with no polar ice caps. Lush, tropical and subtropical forests covered much of the land, providing ample food for the giant herbivores. Studying this ancient environment helps us understand the profound changes our planet has undergone over geological time. The shifting continents, changing sea levels, and fluctuating climate of the dinosaur era show us that Earth is a dynamic and ever-evolving system. The world is not static. The landscapes we see today are just a snapshot in a very, very long history of transformation. By looking back at the world of the dinosaurs, we can better appreciate the powerful forces that have shaped our planet and continue to shape it today. It gives us a sense of deep time and our own place within it. So, why does studying these long-dead creatures matter now? Learning about dinosaurs is more than just a fascinating glimpse into the past. It teaches us fundamental lessons about life, evolution, and extinction. The dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 150 million years, an almost incomprehensibly long time. Yet, they vanished in a geological blink of an eye, likely due to a catastrophic asteroid impact. Their story is a powerful reminder that even the most dominant species are vulnerable to sudden environmental change. It underscores the fragility of life on a planetary scale. Ultimately, the secrets of the dinosaurs are also secrets about our own world. Every fossil we unearth adds another piece to the story of life on Earth. It helps us understand how ecosystems respond to change and how life adapts, diversifies, and sometimes disappears forever. As we face our own environmental challenges today, the lessons from the lost world of the dinosaurs are more relevant than ever. They are a testament to our planet's incredible history and a cautionary tale for its future, reminding us of the preciousness and precariousness of life on this small, blue dot in the vastness of space.